Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video you're gonna learn how to apologize and respond to apologies in English. I hope you remember Alex and Jake, and these two friends will help me explain it all to you. Alex, sorry, I chewed up your slippers while you were at work. Please forgive me, I couldn't resist. They were delicious. Jake, do not worry, it's okay. Really? Of course, I did not really like them anyway. So it's totally fine. In most cases, when you apologize for something, you can just say I'm sorry and probably add what you're sorry for. And don't forget about the ing form with the preposition for. For example, I'm sorry for chewing up your slippers. I'm sorry for being late. And some standard informal ways to accept apologies are it is okay, not a big deal, don't worry about it, it can happen to anyone, no problem. And if it was difficult to accept the apology, you can say, I forgive you, but if you do it again. If you can't accept apologies, you can say, I appreciate your apology, but I can't accept your apology. I can't forgive you for that. And if you want to show that you're really angry, you can say, you should be. And this is what can happen on the street. Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry. Sometimes both speakers may feel guilty about something, and both of them may say, I'm sorry. Alex, yesterday you promised to buy those wonderful cookies that we saw the other day in the shop, but you did not buy them. Oh, Jake, my bad, I totally forgot. Will you buy those cookies today? Sure thing. Thanks. In a very informal conversation, you can also use the phrase my bad, which is the same as it's my fault. And the response to it is quite standard. It's okay, it's fine, no problem. Jake, I have a confession to make. What's that? Such words are scaring me. Jake, I'm not your real father. I'd like to apologize for keeping it back from you. Oh no, it can't be. Am I adopted? But I love you anyway. You are my father. And if you want to sound a bit more serious when apologizing, you can use the following phrases. I would like to apologize for doing something. I owe you an apology. Please accept my apologies or apology for something. And if it's okay and you accept it, you can say, I accept your apology, apology accepted, don't worry about it. Oh, there's an email from the pet shop. Dear Mr. Jake, please accept our sincere apology for the wrong information we provided in the previous message upon your request regarding the availability of the sweet juicy bone treat in our shop. It is actually in stock and you are very welcome to purchase it anytime convenient for you. We are always happy to see you in our shop. Kind regards, Donna Love, Senior Manager. In the written form, an apology may sound even more serious with phrases like, please accept our sincere apology for, we are truly sorry and ask for your forgiveness, we extend our sincerest apologies for something, we take full responsibility for something, it was wrong of us to do something, we deeply regret this mistake has ever happened. This is all. I hope you found this video useful. Please drop me a like and subscribe to my channel.